Okay, I'm now in the road to the house. I can't even find my house. I can't even find the street to the house. I hope I will be okay. See, the visibility is really zero. You can really see how bad it is right now. So I hope I'm okay. If not, I'll be stuck. It's really bad out here. I can really feel the snow coming up. So anybody of you out there who finds my body and corpse in the snow, you know what happened right now. Okay, gonna turn right now. Hopefully I'm good. I'm turning right now, and I am good. Somebody's behind me, so I am okay. So far so good. Look at these. Look what's happening right now. I can't stand this. Too much cold right now. I have to be in the middle. Okay, we're still good. I can still find my way here in the snow. May the good Lord have mercy on me. Look at these. Look at that. This is unbelievable. I hope the roof will not collapse with the weight of the snow right now. Okay, I'm calling out right now. I'm still here. I'm turning now to the street leading to the house of the babies. So here I am. Oh God, look at that. The road cannot be seen right now. The road cannot even be discerned right now. Oh God, I hope I will not be stuck right now. Okay, can't see the road. It's a lot of ice and a lot of accumulation. I hope I am not gonna slide right now. I miss the road right now. Do you see it? I hope you see it right now. Everybody in the Philippines. Look at these. I don't know which one is my house right now. Oh, there's the Mercedes. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. This is my house right now. You're looking at it. It's ruined. It's ruined right now. The weight of the snow. Okay, I'm turning in. There's the Mercedes. There's the Mercedes right now. I can't even get up. Okay, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I can't even go up the curb. It's okay. Alright. I'll be calling Vivian right now.